Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna do a blowout because it's been a minute since my last blowout video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh that a little bit because let me tell y'all, I cut my hair like blunt cut, like maybe half of my neck. I cut my hair that short. Still kept the red. I kind of toned it down a bit, but now it's kind of getting back to the intensity of the red that I had before. So I haven't done a blowout since then, so we're gonna work with something new because we got a new little cut going on. I think I cut it back in July, so it's been a minute and it's already like touching my shoulders. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna get into the blowout. So right now I just washed my hair. I use a certain type of product for my hair because, you know, red fades, and you know, I try to do my best when I wash it to use products with hair depositing stuff in it so that my roots aren't, you know, fading and looking like a little orange and stuff. So I use this brand right here. So I use the Color Infused Red shampoo and conditioner. So right now my hair is a little damp. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my favorite heat protector for my blowouts. It's the same Cream of Nature heat protector smooth and shine blowout cream. I feel like this gave me more coverage, and the way that you apply it, it's like very creamy, and I feel like my hair is just more soft and protected during the blowout process. So this is what I use. It has argan oil in it. Protects against heat damage up to 450 degrees, smooths and controls frizz with exotic shine, and that's not lying, so we're gonna use that again. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's start. I kind of want to divide my hair in half and then do my sections versus the other way around. Okay, so I do a very generous amount of this stuff. It hasn't made a difference to my blowout, but you know, your girl gotta protect her hair so it doesn't make the blowout sticky or feel like product buildup. So I like to brush my hair out when I put the products in, just so that it spreads evenly throughout my hair. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do another coat over the whole section. And then switch sides. Okay, so I fully coated all my hair with my product. I am gonna put some in the back because I do have an undercut that's still growing out, and I plan on letting it grow out all the way, but I need to put product on there too because this is the first section I'm gonna work on because I like to get it blown out as well. So we're gonna go ahead, using the DRYBAR blowout brush. You know, it's funny because I bought this when I didn't cut my hair, and then I cut my hair and I realized like I could have just got the smaller one, but it's okay. It still works. Still does the job. It's not hard to work with short hair. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of dry out my bottom piece. Okay, so that's already nice and dry. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Don't judge because I'm working on it. Okay, so that's the back right here. Honestly, this has been growing so well. The plan really is to just get it a little bit longer so that it's like touching down here, and then I'm gonna blunt cut my hair again and then re-dye it my natural color and then grow out the process of my hair, because initially, like with my hair before I cut it. I didn't like the fact that I had an undercut. I felt like I wanted to experience like this whole back piece like the same length, if that makes sense, like versus getting it cut all the time. But yeah, so that's the process now. But I felt like, you know, if I'm gonna do all that, I might as well dye my hair a color that I always wanted to dye it. So that's pretty much the story on that. But now we're kind of just over it. We want to like start fresh without chopping all my hair off. So I'm just doing my thing. I just cut the bob, and then we're gonna do a recut on the bob once this grows out a little bit. So but right now I'm just working with my hair. I'm just doing whatever I want to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and section out my hair, and we'll start on our sections. Okay, so we got our little sections right here. We're gonna go ahead and do a little piece, and I'm gonna clip all this on the side because I just want to focus on this one side, which is my very first piece. This is about the size of this section. So there. So that didn't take long at all. It's already soft and bouncy. So let's go ahead and do the rest of our pieces. So you guys, I actually had to divide one of my sections horizontally because it was just too thick. So this is like the bottom row, but there's like another piece from the initial section because I just wanted it to be small pieces, because small pieces are key to your blowout and just makes it a lot easier. So that's about how much I have. I feel like the bottom is pretty easy because, I don't know, as y'all can see, like I do like a twisty motion like over and over and over, like real fast, but I don't do that often when I get to the top of my hair for some reason. So I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna section out another piece of my hair. Okay. And then we're just gonna repeat the process over. Okay, so we're almost done. We have just this top section to work with, and yeah, that is where we're at so far. Almost there. I think this is my favorite part, because once you get this perimeter, then you can work downwards with the parts, which makes the process a lot easier. And again, we're gonna do small sections. I feel like a lot of times when I get to this part, I be trying to rush because I'm almost done, but that's where you mess up at. So you want to keep it consistent, keep your parts small. finally done. I went ahead and put some argan oil, repairing hair oil, strengthening restores. It's just general oil from hair. I usually just run that through after my blowouts, just for extra softness. And yeah, this is the results. Very soft and bouncy. And it's so thick too, like lots of volume. Yep. Y'all see that? No, I'm really liking this. It's so soft. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. Like, I just can't stop touching it. But yeah, y'all, this is my blowout video of my hair. I mean, really? I think that concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.